I'm still trying to set up. Am I audible? Like, this is really hard. This is a new software. Let me put screen so I can show you. Projects, display capture, window capture. What is going on? Wait a second, guys. This is really difficult. This is Streamlabs. My OBS is not working like that good, so I'm just using Streamlabs. Thank God I'm audible. Maybe my PC is also audible, I guess. Yes, it is. Finally, I couldn't record any reactions because of this. Let me just make myself bigger and let me put the screen. Window capture, add source, add new source, cancel. It's not getting turbo up. Okay, here we go. Why is it looking so weird? Window capture, alert box. Why is this looking so weird? Oh, here we go. I finally did it. This is now visible. I'm looking so big. Okay, here we go. Is this good? Streamlabs is made from OBS. Let me see if I can hear myself. Like, Streamlabs is made from audio bit rate is 0 lower than recommended. Let me do some settings and then we'll start this project review thing. Audio bit rate is some problem. I don't know what is going on. Stream. I don't know. Anyways, let's start the stream. So, what's up, guys? Let me make myself bigger. And now we see. I'm seeing the chat. So, this is the last episode of Project Review Season 2, Week 2. So, most of you don't know what is going on like with Project Review. Let me put the chat like this. Now, I will not put the chat on the screen. This is really difficult. But yeah, I can see the chat. So week 3 forms are opening. Like, let me first explain. So it is like season 2. Okay, season 2 has 5 weeks. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Currently we are doing week 2. Like, the first week was in July when I used to upload daily. So that was week 1, 7 episodes, it is done. Week 2, the quality increased so much, so I had to like take time and actually make better videos and not just every day just like July. So this took more time. And here we go. 4 months. I guess this week is running for 4 months. I have to. I think I have to change the name from week to something else because people get confused with the weeks. Like it is not a week. It is called a week because it has 7 episodes. It will not end in a week. Yes, the week one ended in 1 week, but not this week and the upcoming weeks. So this is the last episode of week 2 of season 2. Next will be week 3 of season 2. Season 3 will take a lot of time. Like it will start in 2023. I don't know. It will take a lot of time. Like let the season 2 end. I will try upload more like quicker than this, but it will take time. I have been getting so many comments asking how can I submit my project and everything. Just wait for this live stream. I told everyone just wait for this live stream, then it will open. Today I'll review like all the leftover projects, like 60 I guess. This live stream is going to be long, like 2 hours or something. So we will finish this. Then I will delete all the responses. Then I will have space on my Google Drive so I can take projects, because if I just start it now, my disk will be full and I won't be able to take 100 projects, which is weird. And also I'm not going to take 100 projects. This time it is different. New video coming I guess tomorrow or day after tomorrow or maybe this week, in which I will tell what is going on in like the week 3. It will not be the same. It will not be same at all. I have to just reduce it because a lot of people, like when I started project review I had like 1000 subscribers and now we are at 3.6k, which is pretty big. And I already got it late, so this time I had 159 projects, like basically 160 projects. I had deleted few because they did not contain or follow the rules. So yeah, basically new video coming tomorrow or this week. So yeah, I will just explain everything you need. Like it will be a funny video. You will just get everything I was trying to say. And yeah, just stop asking. If you see anyone asking when is project review opening, how can I submit my projects, or how can you get my projects, it is very simple. Just watch this video. I'll put the link in the chat. You guys go and watch this video. I had made this video but only like it has 500 views. It has all the instructions, everything you need. Like seriously, the project review to announcement video, it had everything, but it got so less views. Like every episode gets more views than this. I have put this in the chat. What is going on in the chat? What about 2022 specials? Tutorials, you mean? Like tutorials are coming. It is taking a lot of time, but tutorials are coming. Mukvincian videos. Mukvincian live streams. What is going on this? In live stream, I don't put cuts and don't write scripts to just talk. Like in not project review does not have scripts, but still, I usually script my videos to make them perfect, sound perfect. Can you see people's projects people put in chat? No, I have already 60 projects to review. Like people had submitted so like back I guess. So yeah, I'll review them. And if you want to chat, like if you want to tell me anything, ask me anything or put anything, do not put it in the chat when I am reviewing the project. After I review one project, I will maybe 2 projects, I will read the chat for a minute. Then you can put it. Otherwise it will be just missed by me and you cannot spam. You will put in a timeout. So yeah. Do you think your channel is more lean to reacting or it is more of a touch channel? What is touch channel? And my channel is not on reaction. It is basically project review got a lot of views and basically it is very popular. I cannot like just make tutorials, or otherwise the project review audience will be like Where is it? Where is project review? Talking about SL, that video is also coming soon. So yeah, wait. Tutorials are coming. Tutorials actually are coming. I have to set up a green screen, do a lot of things to make a good tutorial. Like I can make tutorial anytime. Like tomorrow you will get a epic tutorial, but it will not be as good as I am thinking and as much hype I have created around it. Like it should be really good. So I am just trying to make it really good. Let's start project review. Already it's 8:15. So let's start. I have projects. Let me put it. This is going to be long. Wait for a minute. I'll just set it up. And I have a lot of projects pending, like so many. So many. Like I will try to review all, or otherwise we'll have another like episode or something. I cannot even show you how many projects. Like I have got 94 responses, out of which we are on 53. Here we have 5 games. I got 3 projects, 4 projects. Okay, and 5 projects. Here we go. Whew. Let's review this now. See the chat for a second. Is the live stream good? Like, is it working well? Is it clear, smooth, and everything? I think it is. I'll just put something in the chat. You guys should remember. Do not ask important questions while I'm reviewing a project or playing a project, or they might be like ignored or ignored not. It will be missed by me. I'm just pinning this message so you guys can actually see it. New people can also see it. So let's start project review S2W2E7. Here we go. So I will not read the chat for now. I'm just focusing on review. So here we go. I have a project. Just open this. And we have it here. This video will probably get copyright claimed, like so many copyright claims. Anyway, GSE Scratch 3. I cannot even say this word. Dash are bad. Kids don't be Sonic by Funny Gut. This is something I don't know. Let's see. What is going on? What is going on? You guys can clearly see this how what kind of project this is. Like, this is so weird. What is this? Let me see your reaction. Everyone is like, what is this? What is this? In the chat. This is weird. I cannot even review this. Like, what was this? First, I was like, this is a really great game because it worked, like, it was going through it. But no, it did not work. It is weird. So I'll just move on to the next project. I cannot review this. This is. What is this? I don't know, even know. Anyway, so we have this Sonic Roll on Fight Funny Gut. The same creator. Hope this is a normal project. This game works on turbo up at 60 FPS. Let me turn on 60 FPS. Here we go. And widescreen, so you can use the link. If not, get used to half speed and unvisible areas. Okay, unvisible areas, not visible. Press space if you want. I warned you. Okay, I have 60 FPS at least. This is loud. This is really loud. Can you guys hear it? Okay. I'm sorry, this was really loud for you. Even my audio. Now is this fine? I guess this is fine. Okay, let's see the project. Okay, let's go. Press space already or choose stuff. I don't know what this means. Okay, this is a boxing game.
Well, my best was lame.
Wow, this is cool. But what is this? I don't get it.
That was lame.
Okay.
Well, that was lame.
Health 600, health 679. Ring reels. Okay, we can beat it by this. This is really cool. Like, you can see how smooth and like so good it is so good. I'm controlling one player, this one with arrow keys, and this one with WASD. We have to basically get it, I guess.
That was lame.
Ring reels or something.
I gotta try that again. I gotta try that again.
This is basically it. Let me see if I got any instructions with this. No, it is basically the turbo up things. So let's move on. Wait a second, let me review first. This project is good, but it is not clear what to do. Like, you can clearly see. If I press space, what is going on? There are no instructions. These variables are on the screen, which is not looking good. Like, matching to the game, this game is looking so good. Like, your pixel art is great, the background is looking great, the animations are good, and the sound effects, like, they're actually speaking. That is really cool. And just improve it. Just remove the variables and actually put some text renderers, put some more moves. Like, what is going on this? I don't know Sonic games, but I think there should be more than just rolling in a game. So yeah, that is the review, I guess. Oh, we have collider boxes. You guys can see purple boxes as colliders. Anyway, next project, Sonic in Eggman. Let me see the chat for a second. It's a local multiplayer fighting game. Okay, it is not, I guess, because multiplayer games do not work with like Scratch or Turbo Up offline version at least, or even Turbo Up online version. Okay, what is going on in the chat? Okay. Okay, so here we have this Sonic in Eggman Land. What is this? Sonic in Eggman Land. Funny Gut. The same person has submitted 5 projects. This has to change too. Okay, a basic platformer looking. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is so cool. Okay, we can walk and then it runs. And here we have this, which is cool. But it just sticks to the surface, and if it gets too fast, it will just not work. Let me turn off the 60 FPS. I guess that is creating the problem. 60 FPS off. And here we go. It is inside the land. What is going on? OMG, it is like lagging or something. I just broke the game or something. I don't know. Let me reload this project because I just broke the game. I just restarted it and it just broke. Like, what is this? You need to fix that. Like, this just works once. Like, if we lose like 2 times or something, it will just go inside the ground and it will not get fixed. You could see that it was actually lagging. This is really cool. Like, this is really cool. But what is going on? See? See? It is stuck again. Fix it. All I'll say, fix it. It was really cool. Like that experience of going down and just following the, what do we call it? The level. So like perfectly. That was really cool. But the level does not look good. It is just broken. It will just break in like a second of gameplay. So just fix it and add more stuff. Like, I cannot tell anything because I don't use or play Sonic games, but what I saw, I told. So let's move on to the next project. Second chat. You can press the Alt button and click the green flag to enable and disable 60 FPS mode. Thank you, Coding Bunny. Okay, NSMB engine extra funny gut. Okay, NSMB engine, I don't know what that is. This is looking 3D. How can I jump? Wow, I cannot jump. What is the point of putting coins then? What is this? I cannot jump. How will I kill them or just get the coins? Basically, what is this? Let me press any key. Like, anything can work. Even mouse. It is not working. It will not jump. Like, you make GTA 5, then remove vehicles. Basically useless. You cannot jump in this game. I'm pressing every key. Up arrow key, W, spacebar, everything. Even mouse. But it is not working. Basically the same review. Like, it is looking good. It is actually good. Like, 3D, it is working, it is looking good, the movement is really smooth, but we cannot jump. Even the scrolling was working, even you didn't have those variables. It would have been a great game. Like, this could be thumbnail worthy, as it is Mario and also so good. But what is this? Just fix it. I really want to see this in like week 3 or something. It's looking good, but it is broken. Press space, press space, press Z key. I pressed every single. I just banged. It did not work. Press X, Z. I pressed even numpad. It did not work. Third button is not registered in Scratch. Okay, anyways. Mario Kart Land. by Funny Gut. Let's see. So Mario Kart Land. Okay, what? Okay, here we go. This is looking good. Okay, this worked. Do you want to start? Space go, X back. Okay. Let's see what this is. Probably arrow keys or WSD. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. What is this? Oh! Oh! Wow! Oh! Ooh, ooh. This is great. This is weird, but 3D is so well done. I've never seen smoother game like this. Like, this is actually good. This is actually really good. You see, even if we just touch his head on the grass, it will detect that, which should not be the case. Like, see, it's just, he's a 3D object. It will not just bang its head on the ground while driving. So this should not happen. You can fix it if you know how to make this level of games. Ooh, 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 ooh. I was just going to say we completed a level without like banging my head 2 times. Here we go, 1. I hope not another one happens. Okay, here we go. We have 2. Already mission failed. We have 3. Basically a good game. It is just going infinite. There is no aim or something. I don't know. I got 3 laps and it is just not like changing its level or something. It's just going on and on and on. Let me see if there are more levels. There actually are more levels. Maybe there is a different way. Maybe this. Let's try racetrack 3. Okay, random one. Start. Let's see how this looks. Okay, this is looking good. I will say this looks good. Like, not matching the game. Like, you can see the character is so detailed, but not the background. But still, like, it's good. Even making games look nearly as good as this is really difficult. Okay, I like this. Oh, that is so cool. I passed it. Wow. Okay. And the finish line. That is cool. This game is good. This is the first game which is not broken by the funny gut. This is cool. I like this game a lot. All you can do is just make them look better. Like if we just zoom and you can see these unanti-aliased or like raw or something lines. These pixels are visible and it is looking like a cutter or something. So you can just smooth that out by in converting to vector and actually making in vector. But if you don't want that, at least make them look like actual racetracks. These are just plain colors and gradients. Like you can see only green. And if you see the player, it is so detailed. So detail your walls or the track racetrack. That will look better. And yeah, just fix that head collision. And otherwise this game is unique. Like I'll really like it. Maybe you can add some level system. If not, the racetrack system is also fine. Instead of this, we call it this slider, you can just make a actual selection screen or something. That will be really cool. This game is good. I like this. Now, let me read chat for a second. Like, yeah. 5 projects reviewed. We are going really fast. It's 8:30. If we go with this speed, 15 minutes for 5 projects, it will be like 20 projects per hour. So we'll get like 40 projects today. That will be cool. Maybe I will not do this again. Like, maybe some projects might get missed. I don't want to do this, but it is difficult. Make devlogs. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Actually, I was planning in 2021, but I didn't make any games. So what can I make a devlog about? I did make Scratch Clicker, but that was early 2021. The turning effect actually looks good. Like, if you saw that, that was looking really cool. Q&A, does your toothpaste have salt? Yes, I use. Wait, I use close up. Weird questions. Do not spam. I'll put you in timeout. Now you are in timeout. No nerds. Do not spam. What is your headphone model? These are Red Gear Cloak. You can see it has RGB. I have just turned it off. Red Gear Cloak headphones. Wired. It's really cool. I've been using them since March 2020 or maybe May 2020. Really cool. I don't know, maybe June. Okay, you can do Alt F4 for OP hacks. Wow, wow, wow. If you guys don't know, like I have never told or something, I'm actually good at computers. So you cannot like trick me to do stuff like Alt F4 or at least that I'm pro. I am actually better than PewDiePie. So let's review projects again. Let me just get 5 more projects. So the next response has one project, thank God. One project from one creator, it's perfect. This is going to change completely. Like, you guys won't be able to like submit how you used to because I don't have many subs, so I barely got any projects. Like, to reach 100, it would take like 1 month, and I would run out of projects to review sometimes in the July project review thing. I got only 14 projects for the first day. So, yeah, now I have to change it. It will be more randomized. I will review the same amount of projects, but still not the same way. Not all projects will get reviewed. I'll also buy storage on Google Drive because I cannot keep up with like 100 responses as I have more things on my Google Drive. Okay, so AdWords beta. Mhm. And we have another project. Okay, so let's review. Jump and run. Here we go. Let me see the chat for a second and I'll start. Llama Alt plus F4. Are you sure about that? Oh, you have the same headphones? That is cool. How many people are watching? I don't even know. 23, that is pretty great. Okay, fall we fell to 19, but it's really good. It will be public. This live stream will be public. You guys can watch it. Like it even you can even watch unlisted ones. I have made a playlist. You can check it out. Live streams playlist. But still, this will be public. And maybe I'll edit and put it on Mukvincian too. Maybe. Like my funny moments or entire video. Maybe. Let's go on to the new project. So I just reviewed Mario Kart Land. So jump and run. Here we go. Jump and Run by Samuel Peterson. You won. Subscribe to Griffpatch and McQueen on YouTube. Subscribe now if you are watching. Like 19 people. I think most of them are subscribed. Start. Platformer. Seriously. But this is solid. Like, what can I use? This is solid. Like, Such good controls. I've never seen more smooth, what do we call it, platformer. Like, it is so accurate. Like, I cannot even express, like, it goes exactly where I want it to. Yes, I make mistakes, but still, this is really great. Okay, this was so cool. You won. This was really easy. You have to make it a bit difficult. Even I got to the finish line or something. So that is not good. This is me. I am bad at this. So this should not happen. Like, even a noob can me like win. That is weird. Make more difficult levels, make more levels, actually put some music, detail the levels, make the movement a bit like difficult. This was actually working really well, which should not be the case, I guess. But wait, this game does not have like, okay. You guys might think like it has main menu and player. So how are we just playing? Where is the level? The level is basically the backdrops. It is just hidden. And also it is detecting the color. This is how it works. We will not get fooled. At least not me. If you guys cannot watch it, you can watch it later. This live stream will be public. You will see it on the channel page. Maybe people can send you funny moment of the stream and you can upload it to Mukvincian. I already do that. I just watch entire live streams and get funny moments from them. Like, you have seen me putting them. I just do a lot of things. Anyways, let me review projects. So jump and run. SWAT AI, we have it. I have seen this. SWAT AI 1.3 by TLY Pushpa Latha. Let's see. Okay. Ask anything you want. This has been reviewed in like the last episode of week 1. Let me see, just like, hey, hi.
Hello. I hope you're fine.
Okay, that is cool. Who is Fanjoa? I asked this even the last time, like, let's see.
Mukvincian or Rhythm Rajesh Kriplani is an indie game developer making games on Scratch.
You guys can hear it? Just listen to this. Who is Fanjoa?
Mukvincian or Rhythm Rajesh Kriplani is an indie game developer making games on Scratch.
That is cool. They actually watched the video and like got the question I wanted them to answer. Like, that is cool. Let me find it in the code. Like, who is the creator of Scratch? Okay. Creator of Scratch.
Mitchell Resnick, Scratch creator, professor, created Scratch so that people all over the world could learn how to code.
Okay, that is cool. This is looking cool. Like, much better than last time. YouTube is America. Okay. It has a lot of questions this time. YouTube, Google, Amazon, Facebook, Gmail. Who is Mukvincian? Okay. We can even ask this. It has my full name. Where did you get this full name from? I think I have put this somewhere, but where did you get my father's name from? Like, okay. Indie. Yes, I am indie. I don't like doing group projects, like, I cannot do them. Okay, so review, basically you can just watch that video. This just has a lot of questions. That is really cool. I just said that, I guess. And yeah, this is actually good. This is not AI. I know this is not AI, but we cannot make AI in Scratch. But this is good. I like this project. This is a good Scratch AI. You can make this much better. Like, you can make some button effects, like we can click, then it will ask. Instead of using the Scratch asking system, you can actually make a different typing system. And you can do a lot of things, but this is still good. This actually works. Looks don't matter in this SWAT AI things, like Scratch AI things. Let's move on to the next project. Let me see a chat for a second. I'm going really fast. How do you submit projects for this live stream? You cannot submit. I am reviewing projects already given by people long time ago. I am really late, like months late. So yeah, I have custom extensions which you need for my game. Is it possible to send them when the forms are back open, or is it not possible? You can send them, like you can submit RAR files, like zip files. You can just submit in them and just put the instructions. I will install and review them. You can use any type of scratch things like extensions and more things. Did you watch Minal Murali? What is that? Will you make Unity tutorials? No, 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 no. I will not. Maybe if I get into game development more than YouTube, I may make them. Anyways, new project. Spike Escape by Vishwajit Jha. Let's see this. Type the speed of spikes in pixels per second. How do I know that? I don't know. Type the speed of spikes in pixels per second. 500 or 50 to 200. Let's put a random value 75. Okay, where is the level? We don't have a level. Wait a second. Spike escape. Okay, let's put it 200. We have to just jump, I guess. High score 1. This is so easy. This is so easy. Let me put 500. Let's see. Okay, we cannot put it. I'll just be down. It will go. Then I'll be up. It will. Like, what's the difficulty? Let's play it for a while and let's see. Let me score like 20 points. Then we'll see how easy it is. Just going up and down, up and down. This live stream is actually like interactive. I am actually talking so much. Okay, 8 points and no difference at all. It is just increasing by a slight bit. I can see the speed in the spikes. You can see it is moving faster. The character looks cursed, actually very cursed. I'll make a meme of it on Mukvincian too. Okay, good. Okay, good. Basically, a very simple game. So, a review might be a weird thing to say. It is just what should you should add to this. First of all, at some level, we cannot see anything, like there is no ground. Let me put a random. Where is the ground? Where is it moving? Where is it moving? It is not moving at all. It is just in the thin air or something. And the spikes do not look good. What is this? If you still want to go with that kind of like art style or something, just actually make something. This is really blank. Most of the time this is blank. Add some music, do more stuff, like do something. Let me try like standing on this black platforms, like let's see. We are not getting upper ones. Why am I not getting upper ones? I wanna see if I can go up. Okay, here we go. Okay, we cannot. That is weird. So just add more things. This is very, very plain. Add some background, add some new cool things. Like you can see there is just a character. We have to just answer this question, which should not be the case. Like make a difficulty system, add some options, or maybe just make it automatic. Even if you wanna ask, like click and ask or make an actual system. This is not looking good. It's blank. And yeah, just increase the speed, increase the difficulty, add more things. This is like I'll play for hours and this will just not change. It is really easy. So yeah, that was my review, I guess. Let's move on to the next project. Mission Mars. Let me see a chat for a second. Play paper Minecraft. Do not like spam. I'll put you in a timeout. You are in a timeout now. Beat Jimmy. Who's a super Indian movies and Netflix? Please watch. This is the Scratch channel. Come on. Have you played Purple Ninja? I don't remember names like that. Who made this? Can I? Okay. This game was by I don't know someone. Like I don't ask for links. I have the project files, so that is also going to change maybe. OMG, you don't know that? OMG, Netflix hit Indian movie. I don't watch Netflix. I just watch YouTube. Okay, I'm working on a 3D game. That is cool. You can submit in week 3. Mission Mars, the pride of ISRO. Aman Shetty. Yeah, this is really epic. Mission Mars, if you have seen the movie. But what is this exactly? Okay, this is animation. Oh, can we control this? Wow. 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 It's not professional, but this is really cool. This is actually like mehnat or actually hard work. This was well synced. Like, I thought we could play it. Maybe we can. Let's see. Or is this the movie story? This is so cool. The earth is looking so realistic. How did it, like, put it in Scratch, that HD image? You can see this is HD, like something. And this, like, a particular cycle of moving outside and just doing that just like the movie. That is so cool. This is going so, like, so well. Day 19, day 20, it is slowly moving outside. And yeah, it will touch Mars, I guess. This can be pretty long. Let me check the audio. How is it going on my phone? Okay, it is going faster. Whoo, the sound effects. Okay, my phone is lagging. 6 months to Mars. So cool. So cool. This like best animation project I've ever seen. Why are so many windows open? Let me close them. 1 month to Mars. Okay. Oh my god. We have asteroids to ruin the day. Near miss. Near miss. Wow. It finally reached? Okay, it is about to reach the red planet. Okay, here we have. Ooh, it is following the orbit. It is actually trying to follow the orbit. Like, this is not planned movement. It is actually detecting the red line and moving.
Mongolian insertion in Mars orbit successful.
Wow. You should submit this in Google Code to learn. You will surely win. Like, this is so cool. Inspiration Mission Mangal 2019 Hindi movie. I have watched this movie. That is pretty epic, and this is also really epic. Special thanks to Genius398 for inspiration to make Israel projects for some ideas. Osin Zento for inspiration make smooth. I cannot read all of them, but yeah. Okay, so we have used copyrighted music. This live stream is going to get copyright claim. So this section might be mute like the previous section, but I can't help it. Like, I can just remove it, but then it will be confusing. So I'm just saying it now. This section, the previous section might be copyright claim, so it is mute. Let me see the chat for a second. You'll get at 8.5. I'll just give it a like 9.5 or 10 because I cannot just say anything. Like, it is like Scratch quality. You cannot make super cool things in Scratch. Like, yes, it did look like a bit image and stuff. You can see clearly this is an image, but this is Scratch. I can understand. This is really epic. I give this a 10 on 10. If I would rate a project, I'll give this 10 out of 10. The epic, it is epic. You need to do nothing. Like, you did all the main things really well. You may can improve the things like making the fire look realistic or something, but everything was so cool. I don't mind fire being like that. Who is this? Let me give the shout out. Srinivasan. Maybe that is the someone else. Aman Shetty. Shout out to Aman Shetty. Let's move on to the next project. Swat AI. Okay. So I've already reviewed 10 projects. Let's take a break. I am tired. Let me make myself bigger and see the chat for a second. I don't know. Elon Musk just sent spaceship to Mars, which accidentally launched, going to hit our spaceship. It will not. They will file a case or something. I don't know what is going on. Let me get some water for myself. I'll just come in a minute. So I'll just disappear. Okay, I am back. Here we go. My camera. Okay. I am back. Lol, he is gone. It's like 144p. Is this? Let me see. I can check it on my phone. Project review live. How many are watching? 19 are watching still. That is pretty great. Thank you guys. Keep watching. It is clear. How many are watching? 19 are watching still. That is pretty great. Thank you guys. Okay, I cannot show. Keep watching. And it is pretty like live or something. It is just it just has a like 2 second delay or something. Like it is saying the same thing. I like that really a lot. Let me check it out for a second, and here we go with more projects. Okay. What? Wait a second, guys. I'm just disappearing for a second. Here we go. Apple juice. What happened? I am back. What app do you use for editing? Videos, Premiere Pro. Audio, Premiere Pro. But photos like thumbnails, Photoshop. The best softwares you will get on the market, I guess. Let's review some projects. Let me just get some projects. We are going really fast, like it's now 9, but still I take 1 hour or 2 hours recording to just 15 projects, and we have reviewed 10 projects live. That is cool. Okay, 60. Knowledge clicker. We have some knowledge clicker. Let me show you this. Uh-huh. Okay, we have 5 projects. Again, I hate this, but okay. Do you guys still know about history of Scratch? Or is it just by like some of you know and some of you don't? Because it is really old now, like a year ago or something. I actually shouldn't have released the trailer. I should just keep the idea with myself. But anyways, wait a second and projects are loading. This live stream is not chill. I'm actually going really fast with it. Did you buy the Photoshop or disk for free? I got it for free with a different method, but like I do not promote it. But it is really expensive. I cannot help. Really expensive. Like 50% of my income should be going in that, like if I buy it. So I cannot help it. Mukvincian beatboxing. This is not beatboxing. It's airboxing. It's getting the projects almost done. And we start reviewing them. Okay, here we go. We just reviewed Mission Mangal. Tile scrolling, episode 17. Okay. Anyways, let's review it. I don't care about the title. Tile scrolling, episode 7. Koopa and Shells, Harshiv Naik. Scratch by Griff Patch. Okay, let's see. Let me make myself smaller. I know. This is fine, I guess. Let's see. Basically, Griff Patch. Same sound effects, same looks, same effects, basically. Different level, but like I will not review this. You can just watch the previous episode. It has the same game in the starting, like the exact same. So let's move on. You can watch the latest episode, episode 6 of Project Review S2W2, week 2, like. And the first project is exactly the same. Why am I repeating this 3 times? I don't know. But yes. The same review for this. Okay. Koda platformer E3, Baharshiv Nayak. Why is the same? Okay, I have not played this Griff Patch tutorial game, but let's see. Looks cool. The animations are cool, but looks like a generic platform. I don't know. Okay, it has some head collision. You can guys can see. It does not detect it as a body or something. It detects it as a head, so it just goes off the platform, which I was trying to tell in the previous project. Like in which project? I don't know. How can we pass this? We cannot. That was it. Just do not follow tutorials and submit. This is not good. Put your something. Put some aim to the game. There is no aim. I cannot review anything because basically Scratch Tutorial of Griff Patch. Nothing original or something. What do we have here? Snake Game Beta. So we have Snake Games here. Snake Game Beta by Ethan Aro. Let me see a chat for a second and I'll just review. Mukvincian income except YouTube? None. Not at all. I am noob, yes, I am noob. He's secretly promoting something. I'm not secretly promoting something. I'm just telling, go to that video, episode 6 of week 2 of Project Review Season 2. Huh? Basically, the previous video, go and watch that. The first project is basically the same. You will get the review. Played on Nokia 3310, basically. Okay, let's review this. Snake Game by Ithanaro. Wow! Wow, wow, wow. This pen based, I know, but so cool. This reminds me of Android. Wow. So simple yet so cool. Like, I like this a lot. I'll not give it extra review points for this. Like, a game should be good. Looking good does not mean it is a good game. Because any game can look good. Okay, basically a snake game. Nothing special. Okay, we do not even lose if we touch the background or something. So what's the point? This is the rawest snake game. But I like the concept of using pen. Like, this is so smooth. So smooth and like so satisfying to just play and just move it around. I like that. If that was the aim of this, like to make it pen based, that is really great. You have done a great job at doing that. And just full points for that. It is looking really good. It is a single sprite, and even the dot is like pen based. That is really cool. Otherwise, you can just add more features. But I think the game's aim here is to make it pen based. That is really cool. I like this a lot. But that is not mentioned in the title anyway. Let's move on. So I have knowledge clicker. Let's see what this is. This is interesting. Knowledge clicker v1.6.1.6 by Fanatic Easy. Ooh, easy. Okay. I present to you knowledge clicker. I hope you enjoy. It's so squished. I don't know why. Okay. It is not moving forward. Sign up login. We have to make account to play a clicker game. Okay. Fan Joa. Set your password. Fan Joa. Successfully made an account. Enjoy. Okay. Shop quit, enter code. I'll just click. You first 10 knowledge. What is this? If I click this, I'll get knowledge. If I click this, I'll get no coins. What is in the shop? A book. 15 and 65. Okay. You are poor. Okay. Pencil skins. Okay. Oh, this is broken. Let's wait to restart. Why does this play 2 times? And also so squished we cannot read it clearly until I focus. Okay, I'll put Fanjoa and Fanjoa. Login. It did not store my data, so what's the point of logging in? Enter code 00. Wrong code, okay. Search username on Roblox and see something, I don't know. Do you really want to rebirth? It will reset all your progress. No. Okay, this was not good. First of all, fix this text. I present to you things. Make it wider, maybe remove it. It is not needed, or just make it in a better way. Or if you just want this, make it normal. This is very squished text. It is hard to read. Like you can clearly see this. It's hard to read. You can just make that better. And also, just put some purpose to this, like knowledge clicker. If we click on the person that is gaining knowledge, this is not a good concept. Like, not a good concept. Also, that pen thing, you are putting two currencies. That is also confusing for kids. Like, Scratch is mainly used by kids. That is confusing, but that's not a problem. Just make a good system. You have just three items in the shop, which are like of no use. Maybe like put some multipliers. Like you can just watch my video. Like I'll let me put in the chat, so the chat replay will also see that. You can just watch my video, like 5 tips to make better clicker games. I just told that in that. Told all the points in that. So basically you will get the idea what I'm saying. So videos, let me find it. 5 tips. Where is 5 tips? Here we go. 5 tips. Copy link, paste. And you can just check this out. Promoting my video, my live stream. Why can I not promote? Anyway, how many are watching? I don't even know. 20? Okay, 14. We are losing people slowly. Okay, this is really long. 9 p.m. Indian audience is probably going because it's really late, I guess, for kids. Anyways, move on. Moving on. What is this? I don't even know what this is written. Something I don't know. By Capchique. I cannot even pronounce anything. Looks cool. Ooh! This is 3D. What is going on? This is 3D. Like you can see, this is so smooth. The smoothest 3D you can ever see. It does not have collision, but it has shadows. It has ambient occlusion. It has smooth 3D. Like it is not even in 60 FPS. It is still looking smooth. Like, yeah, my PC is no. It is using some PC. What do we call it? PC resources. Like if you don't have a powerful PC, this might not work as it is working here. I have a powerful PC, so I can run this. So basically, this is really cool. Now you might don't know what ambient occlusion is. So ambient occlusion is basically like if these are two walls, the black thing here, like the black shadow type here in the games, that is ambient occlusion. I cannot explain it that well, but basically you can see these darker areas. Yeah. It is not perfect, but it is a try, and that is looking cool. Shadows is shadow. I don't trust these shadows. Like these can be anything. Maybe made inside the ground. I don't know, but looking cool. If it is real, it is really real. Like really good. Light is falling from here. So yeah, the shadows are justified, but it should also fall here, which it is not. What am I saying? I don't know. Basically, I cannot say anything. I cannot even make this. Let's move on. I cannot say anything. This is really cool. Maybe just add some wall collision. Just add some wall collision. That will make it like a 3D GTA or something. Engine Nougat Test 5 by Capchique. How did he put? Okay. So you might think this is an image, but this is not. These are just 4 comments that's stacked up like that. I don't know what this means. Yeah, the definitions, but I just wanna see. Okay, this is also 3D. This is really great. You guys can see we have lights. We can even move. We have buildings with ambient occlusion. We don't have shadows. We don't have even land. We don't have land. You can see. This is looking like air. We can even jump. That is cool. The mouse thing is not so good, but really working. I don't know. This moves with R. Like it just points towards As you can see, if I just move, it's really hard to show you guys. If I just move, it is just looking at me. Everything is looking at me, even the light. I cannot see the back of the light. This is good. But these projects can't be reviewed. Like, how can I review it when I. This is just too extreme for me or something. Just fix the mouse thing. Otherwise, this was so cool. Maybe I have to stop project review someday. Or I have to learn 3D. I don't know. Let me see the chat for a second. It's like the end of Minecraft. The camera is sort of confusing. Yes, it is very. Wait a second, wait a second. I have to take this photo. I have to take the photo of this chat. Here we go. Siddhesh to Digya Meko. You should not stop making project review or you will get 0 subs. That will not be like that. I got subs before project review. Project review just adds a tiny bit to it. I'm not doing for this for subs or something. You was increased? What? How many are we? 13. It decreased. Okay. I didn't even read the name of the project. Project Sneaky Lands Operation Anonymous Pre-Alpha by Capture K. Okay, let's see this project. Using Shockwave 2, this is so dangerous. Oh my god, this is looking cool. This animation was good. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, is this Scratch? This is not Scratch. This is not Scratch. How is this Scratch? We have real clouds. We have 3D movement. We have buildings. We have city. We have shooting. We have everything. How is this Scratch? We even have wall collision in 3D. We have reflections. We have shadows. We have water. This can't be Scratch. You kidding me? Bomb. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. I threw it and it worked. This is the best project I've ever seen in Scratch. I'm not kidding. Let's explode ourselves. Let's see. I'll just stand here and let's see. Nothing happened. That is weird. I can shoot, I can move. That is crazy. I cannot aim properly, but come on. This is very much enough. Oh my god. I cannot even process this. Bro, show the code fast now. Copying the code won't make the same game. You need to do a lot of setup. Just see the code. You can't even copy this. You can't even try to copy this. You cannot copy this. How? Even Griffpatch will be confused by watching this or something. I was going to make a video on this project, like I've seen the beta version of this or something, but I didn't make it till now. I'm out of breath. This project is crazy. This is very crazy. I cannot say anything. This is just the best project I've ever seen. So basically, you get the point. But for seeing the masterpiece, not for copying. Yeah, but like, what will you see? Are you monetizing from YouTube? Monetizing what? What am I monitoring? No, he will keep the name same. Keep the name. Someone made GT and Scratch. You guys know how I title my videos now, I guess. That is cool. Someone made GT. I will not say that. I'll 3D shooting game in Scratch. Maybe. I will actually do that. The last episode, which was live, was named by Minecraft. I will not get any Minecraft now. Even if I get, I will not put it in the title and thumbnail. That will not work again. Like, already 2 or 3 episodes have Minecraft in its title and thumbnail. So, how many times will I put the same game? Money what? Money what? You are spamming money. No, GTA will give more views. It is not GTA. I am not doing clickbait. I never do clickbait. I will show what is in the video. GTA will be clickbait. This is creepy. I will not show this. I can clearly see this is creepy. So I'll just hide the screen and see if it is creepy. If it is not, I will show it. So I'm just hiding the screen. Yes, the screen is not visible. I can see. Let me see this. I'll just reduce the volume. Okay, it is very scary. Like, not that scary, but it is dangerous. Let me see the costumes. We might have a lot of costumes. Basically, a scaring animation. I will not show this. It's really scary. You can see the thumbnail shows it. And also, I am telling you guys, viped.malwarewatch.org, like basically a website or something. I don't know what is this. Do not submit projects like this. You will be banned, cop chike, or whatever the username is. I don't know. Anyway, let's go to more projects. I'm just getting more projects now. Let me make myself bigger. These will be the last 5 projects. I am really tired. I'm sorry, but yeah. I might review those projects on Mukvincian too. Or maybe this channel live stream, I don't know. We have to end those projects. Mac, we will cry. I will not cry. Look behind your door, there is nothing. I can see it clearly through the mirror. Oh, I was kidding. Maybe I'll do more pranks like these. This was funny. I was actually checking if I had done that perfectly on my phone. That was cool. Let me see how many minutes I have done so I can just make this on Mukvincian 2. 1 hour 23 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'll remember it like that. Whew. Anyways, this was epic. Indian Pennywise be like, what is like, I don't know what is Pennywise. I have seen that, but not exactly what that is. Make a vlog channel. I already have it. I just start making vlogs. Rhythm Kriplani channel, third channel. Watch that. Subscribe. Vlogs coming soon. Hindi, not English. Continue, bro. Continuing. This actually gives like some energy. Now I can review 10 projects. Viewership increased to 19. That was epic. Let me download some projects. Whew. Okay. 2 projects. 3 projects. Oh wow. We have some cool project. Remove.pg. Okay. Let me see. Okay, we have some basic projects like a beginner has submitted. Let's see. Oh, we have Mukvincian.exe, inspired from fanjo.exe, I guess. But how? Submissions were closed when I uploaded that video. So maybe this can be something cool. Interesting projects, I see. "56 MB of Scratch project. How will it even run? Idle Monster Oofer by Zach Douglas. Like 56 MB of Scratch project. Like, how? Idle Monster is downloading. Mukvincian.exe downloaded. 56 MB. I won't be able to even review this now. We are still at 67. I have 94. Okay, let's review what we have. Let me make myself small and I will load a project. Zombie Cube. Did I review this? Okay, I didn't. Okay. Zombie Cube.sb3 by Shrikant Rao. You won. I won before playing. Press the S key to start. Ooh, this is smooth. This is so smooth. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Never seen anything smoother than this. I have to know how to make this. This is the best thing I've ever seen. Like, smoothness wise. We just saw that shooting project. That was better. This is basically a zombie apocalypse game, I guess. We have to just be safe or stay away from zombies. Oh. I cannot play it anymore, like, I guess. Basically, fix this. What is this? Press is not visible, start is not visible. Make this good. Remove the variable, add something cool, add more stuff than just boxes. You can make actually things or maybe light things on things That will look cool even on boxes if you just want to use boxes. Other than that, add music. And yeah, other thing, I just love the smoothness thing. Like, how did you do it? So cool. And this camera shake, the smoothest camera shake I've ever seen. Give this a 10 out of 10, or sorry, 9 out of 10 because of this. Let's move on. The projects are so good, I cannot even like complain or something. Christmas platformer. Let me see a chat for a second. It's the Griff Patch game. Which one? Zombie Cube tutorial. Okay. That is what I thought. When you review my projects, what can I even answer? How do I get my reviewed? Basically, next video coming up, just check that out. Yeah, if you can't, if that creepy game comes up. Do not spam Hindi. I'll put you in a timeout. Okay, let's see. Christmas platformer. Let me read the title. Christmas platformer game.sb3 by Shrikant Rao. Let's see. Wow, this is pretty smooth. The animations are cool. The Santa's looking so good. We have pretty smooth scrolling. This is really cool. How is this so smooth? Am I running at 60 FPS? No, I am running at 30 FPS. How is that smooth? Like it is that smooth. There's no obstacles. That is weird. Ended. What no, what was that? The same level is repeating itself like level 1. Okay, we will reach the end soon. What now? I cannot go far even if I jump. And we have level 1 again. What is going on? I thought this was smooth and cool. This is smooth. This is not working. Like, it is just not working. We don't have any levels, or maybe you forgot to put the level end, or it is not working. We are just in level 1, stuck at level 1. We do not have an end to the level. Like, you could see the end was weird. We have the sliding feature, but we don't have any obstacles. We even can jump, but there is no point in doing that. It is a bit weird because you can see these sharp edges. This should look smoother and cooler. You can add some parallax background. That will also look really good. And yeah, other things, even if not improved, look really cool. Like maybe you can add some trail or like particle effects when it walks, like snow effects. Otherwise, this is so cool. You can see this looking so bad. Like this is so flat. You can just make it a bit realistic, like mud, like actually smooth. Like this smooth from here and here, but not from down and up, like basically. And also remove the variables from the screen. Add some sound effects like moving, jumping sound effects. Add some Christmas music types. And yeah, that will be great. Christmas platformer. And now we have another one, the Horizon 3D. Can you tell me how to make a like RPG city game? There might be some tutorials on the YouTube, but I will also make a series on RPG. Good idea. भाई आपके चैनल का पहला सुपर चैट किसका था? My friend, he gave me 20 rupees for like, I don't know, maybe he likes the content so much. He gave me 20 rupees just for like nothing. हिंदी में बताऊँ तो like let me speak in हिंदी में बताऊँ तो मेरे दोस्त ने दिया, पता नहीं मुझे क्यों दिया, पर अच्छा गया. Thankful. I have never got any super chat after that. Review my project when the next project started. Yes, next project review week. I will review a project if you submit. Is it possible to make Among Us in Minecraft? What? Yes. matlab, like we can maybe. Minecraft is weird. Okay, the Horizon 3D, Aviral Bhattacharya. This game can be really, really, really epic. Let me show you. This is so smooth. I don't know, my PC is just doing something, I don't know. Okay, the buttons are not that cool in from outside, but this animation was cool. Just driving. Okay. Okay, this is not cool. Like, the car is looking 2D, but it is moving 3D. What? Wow. I'm actually controlling it. No joke. The car is not looking realistic, but the track is actually real. I can turn however I want. No, it is automatically turning. It is just a lie. Let me show you this. So I am pressing this up arrow key, if you can see. And yeah, now let's see if we get a turn. It automatically turned. I didn't even touch it. Let me show you like this. See? See? The turn is coming up. Here we go. It turns automatically. This is a lie or something. But this is beautiful. Like, you can see the trees are loading. Like, it actually has vegetation and scratch. I've never seen this level of like detail or try by someone. This is so good. Like, you can see distant objects are just blurring and slowly trees are generating. We have the boards generating slowly. We can actually turn, like I can go outside the track. But yeah, that is a feature. We have the background moving when we turn. Like, if you see, the background is parallax. Like the background trees, the background mountains, the clouds and things. Let me show you this. See, it is moving. See, it is moving. We actually collide with this. I actually collided with a board. That is cool. Let me try to collide with a tree. Like maybe this one. We can collide. That is so cool. We can collide. Like it is glitched. Like yeah, it is glitched. But oh my god. I'm too bad at Scratch, I guess. I have to rethink my entire YouTube channel or something. It also has speedometer. I did not notice it. Yeah, we were going really fast, I guess. 100 or something. We don't have sound. I don't know why. Maybe because the volume is really low, I cannot hear it. Yeah, this is so cool. It is actually 3D, like wavy up and down hill type racing. This is really good. You're getting really epic projects. Just imagine if I made episodes out of them. Like 10k views. That will be really great. OP spamming. Why are you spamming OP? Okay, like OP spam is fine. Like some type of spams are fine. It's a bit of glitchy, but it's OP. Noners कौन है भाई तू? Talk in English in chat. Like not everyone is Indian. भाई English में बात कर. सब Indian नहीं है ना? There is no moderator. Yes, there is no moderator, unfortunately. Other than Mukvincian 2. In future, will you make gameplay videos? I already make gameplay videos. Project Review has mostly gameplay and less of review. Like, you can clearly see. I usually mostly review projects while playing them. Open sub portal, please. Yes, it is opening. Wait. This game cannot be criticized other than actually making the car looking real. Like, car does not look real. You can see the turning and things does not look real. Otherwise, this is so real. Like, actually, really realistic. And actually, this guy told me a few things. Like, this is a very 3D, beautiful 3D game I made. This took a lot of effort and I appreciate that. That is really cool. And then we have Mukvincian.exe. Let's get ready for this. Is it visible? Okay. Oh, we have two Mukvincians on the screen. This is me, and this is looking me at myself. Let me do this expression. How did I do this? I cannot even show my hands. This frame is too small. But okay, anyways, let's review this project. Let's see how it is. Okay. Sega? We lower the volume. It's kinda scary. Oh my god. Mastered YouTube Aditya presents. Mastered YouTube Aditya. Okay. YT means YouTube for me. Why am I not saying anything? The editing's so weird. He literally cut my right arm. Like, this part, it does not exist. Like, or maybe it is back. I don't know. I don't remember. What is going on? Okay. Maybe some type of horror game. Let me make it smaller. I don't want to make it scary. How is this Mukvincian? How is this Mukvincian? That was cool. Not even scary. Is this scary? This is not scary. This game was to kill Mukvincian. Okay, I am getting scary. Let me see how scary can I get. Just imagine this is made in, like, it is actually made in Scratch. Just imagine if we had Photoshop skills. This would be dangerous. Okay, if I press space, it works. Act 2, popcorn. Okay, this guy is black now, and the background is red now. The land is slowly shrinking. Let me. What is going on? What should I do? We'll basically just get crushed. Okay. Get crushed perfectly like this. Perfectly. Still not perfect, but anyway. You're not getting crushed? The wall is fake, I guess. Or maybe we are. Thank you for playing. Create credits. Awesome, Zach. This is not related to Mukvincian. Literally 2 photos. But thanks for making this. Like, even thinking an idea like that. I will love Mukvincian games. Let me see this. This cutting is bad, but pretty well done if done in Scratch. Like, okay. This is cool. I like this. Just because it is Mukvincian. We have 3 more projects left and then I cannot do it anymore. Scratchy Mario Maker by Samir Sonic. Sonic literally. Okay. Okay, I can make level. How to play then? How to play 1. Okay, I can choose blocks. Just Mario Maker. We cannot play it. So what's the point? At least add playable things, like it should be playable. Is my camera okay? It is not. Okay, let's move on. This is nothing. I have never recorded more than like 2 hours. This is slowly getting to 2 hours, and I am tired of literally talking for so long. Look behind your door, Mukvincian. No, please don't. I will. Nothing. Where did you live? Only a simple question. I live in India. The video is lagging. Maybe your internet connection is not so good because I don't have any problems from YouTube. Like YouTube is showing it is excellent connection. 22 are watching. That is pretty great. Thank you guys for watching actually. Okay, Idle Monster Oofer New UI by Zach Douglas. Idle Monster Oofer. Okay, I have played this before. I've actually played this before. I clearly remember this in week 1. Loading area. This art style is really weird. Clicker game?
Thanks for hiring me.
Okay, I get cash. I don't know how, by clicking. And we can just hire people.
Thanks for hiring me.
Okay.
Thanks for hiring me.
Upgrade. Your weapon is now a flint.
What is going on? Okay, I've left it. It just disappears and we automatically earn cash. Like the money is still increasing. 87, 107. Is it visible to you all? Like you can see? You can see the money is increasing. 147. I am not doing anything. What is this game? Like, what was this? It did not improve, I guess, from last time. For the review, I cannot just say anything. Like, basically, this is too complicated. Like, if you just look at it, we have title, which is blending in the background somehow. You should make it big and unique. Like, actually pop out from the background. The art is very weird. Like, somewhere it is images, somewhere it is paint, somewhere it is good quality, somewhere it is bad. Okay, I will not comment on that. I don't know. But basically, too weird. Then we have so many variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variables on the screen. Then we have random things which do not even have anything to do with the game. This looks like a racing game or something like really cool. But this is basically a clicker game which does not even need to be clicked. So what's the point? Like maybe that was auto clicker, but what is going on? We can just hire people and forge 2 options to do, and that's it. Every time we click, it just disappears. This is not fun. Like, it is not fun. Let's move on. We have another same submission. I don't know why. Maybe I downloaded this 2 times. I don't know. Turbo up crashed. Okay. Turbo up knows I have to go. Let me make myself bigger and close Turbo up. Let's end this live stream. Mukvincian, good night. Good night to you. How to submit? How, I don't know. It is coming soon. A video is coming soon. That will have the link to submit and all the instructions will be given. You guys can then submit. I have to do some things, then only you will be able to submit. I don't have storage to submit. पहचाना क्या मुझे? अरे भाई श्लोक बलमवार. SB Productions. Shout out to SB Productions. You can just see this SB Production. He's my friend. He sings. You can check out his channel. भाई spam मत कर. Anyways, let's end the live stream. I am really tired. It's like 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. here. Let's end this review project of this person, Pico Kakkader. I don't know how to pronounce that. Submit, I will review. Submission is not open. Submit when it is open. Basic things. Okay, let's end the live stream. RPG video. Yeah. Maybe I will. Okay, bye. Good night, everyone. OpenOS is very green. Okay, so what? Let me end the stream. How can I? Here we go.